Medicaid expansion was discussed today at the state capitol. Both sides are talking expansion, but Democrats want it on the front burner.
WJTV 12's Capitol correspondent Gerald Harris is live in the newsroom with their efforts. Gerald.
Recent polling from Millsaps College found 60% of Mississippians support some sort of Medicaid expansion, and Democrats at the Capitol are hoping to take advantage of the increased public support.
It's right for Mississippi. And as I said in our response to the State of the State address last night, it's really a no-brainer.
Democrats are preparing for a fight on Medicaid expansion, but they say there's a glimpse of hope.
We've been pushing this issue now for 5 or 6 years, and it's really encouraging to see some of our colleagues across the aisle start to adopt our policy position on this. And
conservative Republicans like Robert Foster, who is also running for governor, and many Republican legislators are speaking out about looking into a plan to allow access. Democrats say they will meet at the table to get billions of federal dollars for health care.
There's a way to take advantage of that. We don't care what you call it, but we want to have access to it, and we want to talk to our brethren across the aisle about how to get that done.
Democrats say they want to begin with opening access to rural Mississippi through regional care organizations.
Our providers to the table, our community health centers, our mental health centers, even social workers and attorneys, all to the table in a regional coordinated care effort to provide coordinated care to the thousands of Mississippians that will be eligible.
They add the best way to expand is to change eligibility requirements. But with state leaders signaling no on Medicaid expansion, Democrats say they are going to keep up the pressure.
We're going to continue the pressure. I think that they're going to hear from not only members of this body, but constituents outside of these halls. And pretty soon, they're not going to be able to withstand the pressure to do this thing that is the right thing for the state of Mississippi.
Asked about Medicaid expansion, Governor Phil Bryant told WJTV 12 he is not considering it. Other Republican leaders, including Lieutenant Governor Tate Reeves and Speaker of the House Philip Gunn, have said similar things. Byron, back to you.